अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो, मेरे सपनों में है तेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में है नाराज़ी। मुझे लगता है कि बातें दिल की होती लफ्ज़ों की धोखेबाजी।
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. As you all know that recently we have started with the new series Best of Arijit Singh, in which we have already done one tutorial. मैं तेनू समझावांगी. I'll drop the link in the description box below. For today's tutorial, can you guess the song? It's the most famous and most beautiful melody from the list of Best of Arijit Singh. The song is Agar Tum Saath Ho, sung by Alka Yagnik and none other than Arijit Singh. This song is originally in the key of D sharp major, so we can make the chords easy by placing the capo on the first fret. Boys and girls दोनों same scale पे play कर सकते हैं. So without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates from my channel. अब शुरू करते हैं with today's tutorial. This song is originally in the key of D sharp major. So if you want to play this song on the original scale, then you can place the capo on the first fret and you will play the chords D major, G major, A major, F sharp minor. How to hold F sharp minor? This is E minor. E minor को आप 1 and 2 frets आगे लेके जाओगे and by changing the position of your fingers, free your middle finger also and place a bar. This is F sharp minor. The next chord is F sharp major. For F sharp major, in the same finger position of F sharp minor, you will add your middle finger on the third string. So this is F sharp major, and if you remove your middle finger, this is F sharp minor. तो क्या chords हो गई? D major, G major, A major, F sharp minor and F sharp major. गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ दोनों इसी स्केल पे प्ले कर सकते हैं. एंड टू ऑल द गर्ल्स, इफ़ योर रेंज अलाउज, यू कैन सिंग ऑन दिस स्केल ओनली विद द कैपो ऑन फर्स्ट फ्रेट. बट इफ़ नॉट, यू कैन रिमूव द कैपो एंड प्ले द सेम कॉर्ड्स: डी मेजर, जी मेजर, ए मेजर, एफ शार्प माइनर एंड एफ शार्प मेजर. आई विल प्ले द सॉन्ग विदाउट द कैपो. नाउ द स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न फॉर दिस सॉन्ग इज डाउन डाउन अप डाउन अप, डाउन डाउन अप डाउन अप, डाउन डाउन up down up, down down up down up. I have also used a chuck pattern in between, so to the same strumming pattern, down down up down up, we can add the chuck. Down chuck up chuck up, down chuck up chuck up. So down down up down up, down down up down up, down chuck up chuck up, down chuck up chuck up. How you will play the chuck? You will mute the strings using your palm and you will hit in the form of inverted C like this: down chuck up chuck up, down chuck up chuck up, down chuck up chuck up. For the beginning of the song, I have used the strumming pattern without chuck: down down up down up.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए.
And then in between you can use a chuck pattern for this part.
मेरी नजरों में है तेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में है नाराज़ी.
For this part you can use the chuck pattern. Let's move on to the song now.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए. कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम
I hope you like the song. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to mention your favorite song from the list of Best of Arijit Singh. You can post your short covers or short videos on my Facebook community page, which is Music Ki Pathshala, or on my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. The links are mentioned below in the description box. You may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye.